I've seen countless warriors rise and fall, but the greatest stories always begin the same way. A student, alone in the darkness, searching for a glimmer of light. Look at him now, this young fighter, exhausted, bruised, yet unyielding. Every great journey starts with a single step, a single punch thrown in defiance of doubt. But the path of a warrior is never easy. It demands sacrifice, perseverance, and unwavering commitment. Watch closely. Do you see it? The moment when giving up seems like the only option? That's where legends are born, in the crucible of near defeat. Each day, each moment, he pushes beyond his limits, forging his body and spirit. His opponents are not just external. He battles his own doubts, his own weaknesses. And through it all, the watchful eyes of experience guide him, seeing potential where others see only struggle. Time passes, skills sharpen, and a warrior emerges. But this is just the beginning. The true test awaits. The world wants you to follow a predetermined path. Study, work, obey. Repeat. But the wise, they study a different map. A map that leads to true freedom. See how our warrior evolves. His movements sharper, his spirit unbreakable. The fire in his eyes burns brighter than the flames surrounding him. Nim. Now witness the transformation. As he gazes into the water, who does he see? Not the student who began this journey, but a master in the making. The scroll he receives is more than paper and ink. It's the key to unlocking his potential. And now the final test approaches. The arena of life awaits. His opponent, fear. Self-doubt, the expectations that have held him back. With a single strike, he shatters more than just his visible enemies. He breaks free from the invisible chains that bind so many. Look beyond the horizon. A world of infinite possibilities unfolds. Most will remain trapped, running in circles, slaves to a system they never questioned. But you have seen another way you can break free. The question that echoes through eternity remains, will you? Prepare, learn, escape. The future belongs to those who dare to rewrite their own story. Your journey of transformation begins now. Embrace the challenge. Become the master of your own destiny.